Hey guys, first deck of the Kong Armor season. We did it again. I tell you, man, this thing's rock solid. I was so super jacked and excited. Y'all don't see. Hey, listen, I get excited about this stuff, man. I'm a geek. This thing turned out, oh man, it just turned out beautiful. I'm doing a repair on the floor, so disregard that. But other than that, look at this deck. Look at this beautiful deal, man. And I mean, we're tied down tight on this. Super adhesion on this, man. I mean, whew, boy, I tell you what, this is one of the toughest decks in northern Kentucky right now, period, hands down. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Just beautiful, man. Look at this thing. When you do this, nothing ever comes out perfect, right? Let's go up in here and look at this gazebo on the inside. Nothing ever comes out perfect. I'm sending the guys back here to do a couple little small repairs tomorrow. Then they'll be done. But buddy, whew, pretty color. This is one of my favorite colors that I've worked with so far. I mean, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Let's take a look here. Look at that. It's the wrong time of day to take pictures because of the shadows. Well, it'll turn out looking horrible, but let's talk about this for a second because boom, look at this. All this custom sprayed out up here. Custom sprayed out. It's beautiful, drop dead gorgeous, tough as nails. And then here's the thing. Everybody else has got gaps up underneath here. No gaps no more. No water seepage, nothing going down in there anymore. It's just drop dead. Just stunning, man. Just stunning. The floor, tough as all get out. Y'all can't see it right now. Tough as all get out. This floor is. It's layered several times. I'm doing an epoxy repair, and then I'm coming back over this again to get a couple little stubborn cracks. But outside of that, man, this thing has just turned out stunningly beautiful. I'm shocked at how beautiful this deck turned out. And I'll tell you, doing decks in northern Kentucky and Cincinnati, I come across some of the best people that live in this area. Some of the just some of the customers that I have, most all of them, but I make a connection with. These people here at this property, salt of the earth people, really God's people, and I'm very happy that I got to do this for them. I feel blessed that I was able to transform this for them. It's tough. If they ever have any problems, they got a lifetime limited warranty. They got a lifetime service contract with Kong Armor. They would have never got that anywhere else. Let me tell you, these other guys would have come and did this for them and took their money. You know, they just took it from them. Here in a couple weeks, this thing would be peeling. They'd never have any help in the future. You know, that's what we're trying to change here at Kong Armor. We're trying to change that, trying to make it better. If you believe in your coding system and you do the math and you do the science and you do the investigation and you find out what works and what doesn't, and you're presenting it to the people, you should stand behind your product. And that's what we do. We stand behind it, man. This just turned out, this is just so beautiful. I'm so jacked up for it. Man, I'm telling you right now, the top at the top, we sealed that all off. I thought it was tri-polymer we put on there. I'm sorry, we put quad polymer on. That sucker ain't never gonna leak again. I gotta quit, man. I got this so beautiful, man. This deck is just so freaking beautiful. I'm blown away, man. This has got me pumped up, man. This has really got me pumped up to start producing decks. Y'all have no idea. Whew, man, beautiful deal.